Hello, good afternoon. So I guess I'm starting my lecture. There is any doubt from yesterday's class, you can ask me if you want. If not, then I will continue today's lecture. Today's lecture is all about the paste option, the filter command, quick select, and the geolocation, and also the xrefs. Today I will tell you more about this thing. So if there is any doubt from previous lecture, you can tell me. So I'm starting my lecture. So as you can see in my screen, I'm opening a Word file. This is a Word file, which is AutoCAD features. I have shared this to you. As you can see, this is my AutoCAD features drawing. A word that I need to paste it on AutoCAD. Now what I'm doing is I'm just copying this whole thing, Control C, then I'm pasting this thing in my Autodesk, AutoCAD. Now, if I'm right clicking it on a screen, see you can see a clipboard option, or there's an option of clipboard here also. See clipboard paste option. You can see these are different type of paste option here, and also same paste option are in here also. Paste, paste as block, paste as hyperlink, paste special. Here also will be the same, paste, paste as block, hyperlink, paste as original coordinate, and spatial, paste spatial. First of all, I will tell you about the paste spatial command, that what is a paste spatial command is. I'm pressing paste spatial right now. So as you can see, there is a mini box which is open, which contains many much properties like picture, word for document, AutoCAD entity, image, Unicode, text. So what I'm doing is I'm pasting this thing as a Word document first. Now see what it is saying. Specify the intersection point where you want to place your Word document. As you can see, this thing got pasted here. You can see this, all the Word document which I was sharing you right now. See, this whole document is pasted as Word in your AutoCAD, but you cannot edit it. See, and there one more option. If you are right clicking it, paste as. See, again I'm going to paste spatial. Now you can add it as a picture also, enhance picture also, and right now I'm adding it as a AutoCAD entity. While adding it as an AutoCAD entity, see, you can see this whole thing is converted into AutoCAD. This is AutoCAD entity converted into text, but it is an AutoCAD entity text. It is not the format which is pasted here. You can see the format are different, the spaces are different according to this AutoCAD. You can see this thing are different. There is some sort of error like DSF file, DWG file, there is some sort of error in it. While placing, see right now I'm doing place special, then I'm doing as it as a text. If I'm pasting this as a text, see the style, the boldness, each and everything is placed as a text here. Now what is this? This is a multi-text option. The size is also similar to that size. You can add it like this also. Now what is paste link option? As you can see, what is this hyperlink option and what is this paste as link option? If I'm pasting this Word document as a link, now see, I'm pasting this Word document as a link. Now, if you want to change anything in your Word document, if you're changing this key feature to over EW overview, then I'm placing double space on it and I'm saving it. So after that, what I see in my AutoCAD, see, it's simply change. It simply got changed. The space has been created. And 1 second, please. Sorry. So what I was saying is, if I paste it as a link, then the link has been generated to this AutoCAD and the Word file. As you can see, I have changed the name AutoCAD overview and provided the space on it. In this file, you can see this. See, as you can see here. So this is the paste option, which we are doing it. And one more thing, same thing. If I'm pasting something as a block, suppose I'm opening one drawing, a new drawing, opening a plan, I've prepared a new drawing. See, if I'm control copying it and I'm pasting it drawing 2 as a block. Now see, this whole thing converted into a block. You can see the whole thing is converted into a block. This is how you need to control and control C and control V on it. Now what is this feature? Paste as original coordinate. What is this feature? If we opening, suppose we are opening a column plan, and these are the column which need to be placed on the plan. So what I'm doing is I'm just control copying it by with the help of control C. Then I'm pasting it on my plan by right clicking on it, paste as original coordinate, or you can go here and provide this. But the easiest way is just placed it into original coordinate. Now see, each and everything is placed according to my plan. The column are placed accordingly. This is how we used to do the paste command. We used a paste command on it. Now my second part is how we use these command which are here. Second is, suppose if I'm preparing circle. Okay, this is a yes. Again circle, again different circle, again different circle, again different circle, circles. Now you can see there are many circles in this drawing. So how will I deal with this? Suppose I need to remove the circles only. So how will I deal with it? I just click on the circles, then I right click on it, and see this, there is a different type of object. What I do is select similar. As you can see, all the circle entity in your DWG got selected. So you can delete it, or you can move it. You can do any other thing what you want. Now, what is the second part? Suppose if you are dealing with this circle point, like if you want to isolate this circle, so what you want to do? Just select similar it. There is a command of isolation, hide isolation and isolation. So if you want to only work on this circle command, then what you do? You just isolate it. See, as you can see, this all the circles got highlighted and rest of the part got hide hidden. If you want to end this, then you can end it like this. Again, I'm select similar link. Then you can see isolate and hide object. You can hide this thing also. Now what I'm doing is, again I'm placing this option. Now you can see this option has been got selected. Now see, uh, there are different type of, now see here there is a selection cycle or a quick select method. If I'm going here, there is a box open. This is box open in the entire drawing, or you can, what you can do is just select this and just go to quick select method. You can see, you can see the an entire drawing or current selection where you want to have this quick select method. Then here I want it in entire drawing. Then here you can see these three identity are here only. Multiple means multiple, you want to select multiple things, and there is polyline, there is circle. If I want to circle by layers, by colors, by layers, by line type, by line scale, line width, any other thing. Right now I'm doing it with the colors. The colors is by layer, then I'm clicking OK. Now you can see each and every circles got selected. If I'm just changing the colors, and then I'm changing some to yellow. See, and now I'm naming someone, selecting someone red. While doing it red, now see the multi type of colors. Now what I do, I go quick select, then I go to circles, then I go to color by yellow. Only yellow part will be selected. But if I'm doing it quick select, going here, then I'm doing it color by red, only red color got selected. If I'm doing it like multiple, then red, then each and everything which is red. Let's see if I'm coloring this thing. Coloring this part into red one. Then see if I'm doing this quick select method, multiple red colors. Then see this line also got selected with the color part. So this is how your quick selection method would work. Now there is one more method, the old method, which we work in 2007 2008 AutoCAD, which is filter method. Fi enter. Right now this method is not good enough or unused method, because there is quick selection method and select similar method, and we can isolate something. but I'm telling you that what that's this method do. I'm clicking on F5 enter, then you can see here box is open. So what does this box tell us? That select the object or add to list. And here you can see you can change something like circle, ellipse. You can change the types, but right now let it be a 3D face. I don't care because I don't need this. I will select the object. See, if you are doing circles, then add to list. You can create one, but I don't need it. What I will do, I will select the object and select it. One second. Select, then I'm selecting this. Now you can see a box is open with the object name. Object is as a circle with layer 0, and line type will be by layer and by color. See, only red color got selected and the radius is also. So if I want, if I'm deleting each and every part and I'm applying this thing only red color and I'm selecting the entire drawing, then only red color part will be highlighted, because in filter command what I have used, object will be circle and the color I'm I'm discriminating it with the colors. So by discriminating it by the colors, the red color got selected. Then I can do this. Now suppose I need to add one more item. Wait, I need to add this circle, then I need to add this circle's yellow one also. Then red one is gone. Now see, I'm deleting each and every part. I want yellow and I want blue color also and a circle. So now clicking on apply, selecting all, selecting all, your shared desktop is not changing. You, my screen is visible to you right now. If I'm changing my screen, suppose I'm changing it here.
Not visible.
Screen is not
Not
visible.
visible. No.
Okay, wait.
No change here.
Right now there is AutoCAD present, at present in my screen. Like you can see AutoCAD.
Yeah. Now. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
So what I was telling is, now what I was telling further, that how to use this quick select method. I will tell you again that if you want to select a multiple layer, multiple alignment or multiple things from AutoCAD, you can do it by color, discriminate it by color, layer, line type, polyline, plot style, line weight, each and everything. Right now colors are more important. Then I'm doing it red color equals to greater than, we can use it as a red color equals to, then clicking on OK, you can see all my red colors got selected. And if I'm doing filter command and adding this thing, circle supply, wait, I will do it again. Add new object, one with color one, then add new object, one with color blue. Existing filter selected, but why it is not showing me? Hmm. But it is not selecting both. I don't know. Now it is selecting only one. I guess this filter command only work on one alignment, not on two. So this is how you use your filter. Like suppose if you want to add an object, if you want to select only blue one, then you click on it by discriminating by the colors. Then click on apply, click here. Only blue part will be get selected. Now next part will be at how to set a geolocation. What is a geolocation? First you go to insert here at your ribbon and then there is a set location. But before that, if you don't have login here, this option will not show. If you want a map to be shown here, then you need to log in first in any Autodesk account. So what I'm doing is my account has been cleared. So I'm preparing a rectangle here. Suppose this is my line of the site project, which is Gurugram. Suppose this area I want a Gurugram layout. So what I do first, I go to set location, then I'm going here at the map locations. So what I type here, Gurugram. Here you can see this is your area, Gurugram. So what you do, suppose I'm doing some construction here. This is my land of site, my project land. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking here, right clicking on here, and I'm dropping a marker here. So by this we can get a lat long and also elevation of this particular point. If you want to place an elevation on it, then you can. If you not, then click on next. After clicking on next, you will get a GIS coordinate system. So what is your GIS here? You just describe that GIS. Suppose I'm taking anything like where is it, T4? I'm taking
WJ64.
WJS City 4. Yes, that's what I'm selecting. Then you can change it from here, like where is Chennai, Hmm, New Delhi, and it is in meters. Continue. Then I'm clicking next. Then here, after setting the location, you just click on the here. As you can see the whole map here. By this, you can create some. But let it be rendered. Now you can see there's a divider here. You can provide a divider here. With this help of this, we used to what we used to do. We used to create an alignment. If you are proposing some alignment here, a road alignment. If you are proposing some road alignment, then we used to use this geolocation process to analyze that where we can go or make a build a road. This is how you can use this geolocation. Now what I'm doing, I want this only this reference box, not all the others. So how can I capture this area? There is an option here, capture area. So first of all, I will create a Then I will create a capture layout. Now I have created a capture layout. Then as you can see, my capture layout is this, and my the layout is this. If I want to edit this capture layout, then what I do, set location from map. Now it is not the one. Now I need to change my capture layout. So if I'm doing it like this, now see, I've changed my capture layout, then I'm removing the locations. Now you can see we only got this particular area. So how did I do it? I will control that again. Suppose this is my, I need to work on this drawing, this ground only. So what I do, first I do capture area, then I will create a capture viewport. Now capture viewport was created accordingly to the capture area. So I need to just decrease this layout like this. Then after placing it, then I remove the location. The rest of the location got removed and you will got the specific area and specific geolocation of this particular area. This is how you will get a geolocation. Now I will tell you more about the XREFs. What is an XREF? How can you use an XREF? So there is a plan made by me, basically with polylines and all. So if you want, suppose you and your colleague and then many other people are working on same project but working on different models. Like you are working on this plan side and someone is working on the text of this particular area, that, and someone is working on the column part. So if you need to merge that, how will it, if we combine the total area, total drawings, then how will it work? So how we do it? First, you go to insert, you can either attach the XREF from here, or you can type XR enter. While typing XR enter, a small dialog box will appear and you can see here there are different type of command. So we go here and we click on attach DWG. Right now I'm attaching a DWG because there is no image, no DWF, no DGN, no PDF. So that's why I'm attaching a DWG here. Right now, while attaching a DWG, I'm putting the text here. Now here the small boxes appear. Now what this is a XREF box. So here you can see the location of this particular area in documents, then for XREF, then this area. You can see where it is opening it, from where the thing is open. Now what is this? Scale. What is the meaning of scale? Suppose here in this drawing, my scale is 1:1 right now. But suppose it was 1:500, 1:400, 1:5000. Then the ratio of this will be 1:1. That means equals to your current file. It is specific scale which is equal to your current drawing. Then you can keep it on 1:1. If you want the XREF to be pasted in original form, like on this scale only. And after that you can provide a intersection point. Suppose you don't know any, suppose the XREF are not in coordinates, like not in same coordinate, then what you do, you just add this intersection point method, then you click on OK. See, there will be a marker which says select the intersection point from where the drawings got intersect, where the both drawing got intersect. So this is how you can create it. Now you can see here there is a path type. You can see relative path and full path. What does relative path means? Suppose if you are browsing here, you can see my relative path. If someone asks you if the drawing is working, the relative path is for xref. That means the current drawing is giving data from this folder only, not any other folder. So if there is a new folder here text, suppose there was a new folder here, but the main folder is this. So the relative path always take your main folder name, your main folder name. If you change the position of text file in it, suppose if you are changing the position from here to here from the text file, okay, right now it is open, that's why it's not changing. Suppose your text file is in this folder, then relative path will take will not get changed, the xref will not get changed. But if you are doing this and then you are doing this full path method, the full path means if you are changing the path of this particular file, the path will be full. Like suppose the text file will be here, then it will take the text folder also. That's the basic feature of full path and the relative path. So what I'm doing right now, I'm pasting this text. Then you can change your unit, you can change the rotation. And right now I'm attaching this file. I will tell you more about this overlay and attach. But right now I'm doing attach. Then I'm clicking on OK. Now as you can see, this thing are placed over here. Now what I'm doing, I'm again going to add drawing. Then I'm going to column plan. Then I'm clicking open. Then again I'm attaching this file. Now you can see the column has been placed here because this thing are the xrefs of this thing. So this is how you can collide your work. Like if you're working on plan, someone is working on text, someone is working on column, you can place it. Now you all are thinking like why we don't do this method, like paste to this original coordinate. We can do this method also. See, by pasting this, all the columns got pasted itself. But suppose someone just change this order. Suppose in text, we just came to know that this is bedroom and this is kitchen. So if someone is changing this and just saving the file, then you go to your plan. See here, there is a pop-up which said your xref was modified. If you want to keep changes, you click on this blue liner and this small box appear that will tell you the changes. Before here was bedroom and here was kitchen. Now see, you don't have to go to your text again and copy this and just paste it to original content. You don't have to do this multiple time. The xref got changed itself. Suppose you need to increase the column size. Now here column size is 9 by 9. Suppose you need to increase it, then what you do, just increase this size in the xref. Only both two column are get changed. What you do, go to plan, then click on OK. See, you can see this. Now one more thing, suppose if you want something from your xref, like you want this text, I don't want to prepare a new text like this, I just want this text and I just want to use this column. So what I do, I just type a command, that is nc enter. The command full form is nested copy item. So what, nested object means if I'm clicking NC enter, then see what it is saying. Select the nested object which you want. Suppose I want this kitchen text to be used in my drawing. Now what I click on this object, then I'm clicking enter, then see what it is saying, that you want a base point here or you want to displace it somewhere. I'm displacing this from here to here. See, the things got detached from this XREF and get live in my AutoCAD. Right now it is not live, it is an XREF, but after using NCA command, we can use this as a AutoCAD entity in my current drawing. Now I need to change it. Control A, tell it main gate. This is how I can use this command. NC enter. Suppose you want a column, you need to use a column of 9 by 9, but you don't need to prepare one more, like by clicking here, PL enter here like this, and then hatching, then preparing a block in it. So what you do, these are prepared. What you do, you go NC enter, then just select the object, then click OK. You want a displacement to be NC enter. You want object. I don't want any displacement. I can use it here, here, here. This is how we can use this NC command. Now, if you want to change your XREF, suppose you're the main planner and you just came to know that okay, this is not the way you need to arrange this thing. This thing should be in capital or somehow. So what you do, you can change your XREF accordingly. First clicking on this XREF, then you're right clicking it. See, you can see there are different type of features in here. So first you can open a XREF from here. You can simply change it from here and save it. Automatically the thing will be appeared. If you want to change it in the place only, first you need to remove close the particular drawing. Now I'm opening this XREF here in the place only. Now see, okay, I've not done this. Again, I'm clicking on it, open, edit XREF in place. Now this was the XREF name. Click on OK, then you can see. You can move this thing a little bit here, here. You can edit each and everything. You can edit, give it a capital B, capital E. You can do it like this. After you just press Control S, Control S. Okay, Control S doesn't work. You just need to open this. Tell you, you just need to open this, close the reference session, then you click on this save reference. Now see, all the things has got changed. So do you have any doubt till now? Then I will tell you about more about the XREF, that what is an overlay XREF and what is an attach XREF. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'm giving you 10 minutes break. So I guess there is no doubt right now. So I'm continuing my xref. I'm pressing XR enter. Now you can see you can detach, reload. You can change the path. You can make it absolute path or remove the path. Right now it is relative now. You can make it absolute. That means you can change it to full path also. You can select the new path of this xref also. Suppose like this. Now see, I'm sharing my screen to my Explorer, sharing it to you. Now see, this is my file, and now I'm changing it to, I'm copying this file and I'm pasting, okay, Control X, then I'm changing it. Oh, let me create a new folder here. New 22. Okay, I'm changing the path here and pasting it. Now after opening my drawing, what I see, now I'm just placing it here. Now, suppose if I'm just saving this file, now I'm changing this path Control X and I'm changing it here to here. Okay, then I'm opening my drawing. Okay, first of all, I'm sharing my screen. I'm changing this path from here to here. See, now what will the xref work? Can go and change, select the new path, open. This is how you can change your path from it. And now again, I'm detaching this thing. I will tell you more about the attach and see. As you see, I'm preparing a new plan. I've prepared a new plan which is plan 2. Now see, I've prepared a plan which is plan 2, and what I'm doing is I'm pasting this xref into this column part. Xref open, attach, done. Now you can see the plan 2 got attached with it. Pressing Control X S, then I'm again going to plan 1. Now what I'm doing is again I'm pressing XR enter, then I'm giving a reference file which is column, opening it and giving attach only, overlay only. First I need to delete this file. Now what I'm doing is come to plan. Now see, if you are doing attach, if you are giving attach only, you can see, you can read this thing. What's the different basic? There is only a minimal difference between attach and overlay. If you are clicking on attach, then you can see my column plan got two files in it. One is plan 2 and one is column plan. If I'm clicking on attach, then I'm clicking on OK, so both the file are going are combined here. Both the file got combined here. It just contained this file also. But if you are pressing only overlay, then the column one will be pressed, will be appeared. If I'm placing this column plan, hmm, now see, both the things got placed in column plan. Then I'm removing it. Then I'm placing XR enter, going to image open, pasting this as overlay. Now see, each and everything got placed here. This is how you can change your XREF. If you want to unload the particular XREF, like if you don't want to use the text file right now, then you can unload it. Then again, you can reload it. Now you can also compare the file. You can compare it with each and everything. Like if you want to compare it with this, you can see the comparison, the distance, which this is comparing accordingly. So this is how you deal with your XREF part. With the help of insert command, you can either do it with here or you can place the XR enter. So this is how you can set your things. So I'm just repeating the thing. Suppose if you are creating a how you create this file. Suppose you are creating a circle, then you're creating a rectangle in it. Okay, let we save this file here as a drawing 6. Now what I'm doing is I'm just deleting this both rectangle here and saving this file as drawing 7. See, now I'm opening this drawing 6 and I'm deleting this both rectangles and I'm saving it. Now what I'm doing is I want the both rectangle to be placed here as a XREF. So what I do, I placed XR enter, then I'm going here, and then here, then I'm pasting this both rectangle. Okay, I guess in both the drawing I get there is circle only. Yes, there is circle only. Now in practicing, I want to place the rectangle part. So open it, then attach. Now you can see the XREF got created here. So this is how you can create your XREF. You can create your own XREF here, and you can edit your XREF by this feature. This is how the XREF work. Basically, in If you are dealing with a bigger project, like if you are dealing with a bigger project, that means if you are dealing with, like I'm going here, suppose this is your a basic small plan. Suppose there is a column, a colony here, and you are dealing with this part only, a small part only. And this is a zoom model. This is the zoom area of your current model. So this is how XREF helped. This is why XREF help. You don't need to work on entire drawing. You don't need to work on entire thing. You just work on some small amount of work, small amount of area. Then you can paste the rest of the thing as an XREF by clearing the part that you are doing your thing correct and according to the plans. That each and everything is prepared according to your plan. So this is how you, in the last, you just place it here, or you can just place this whole XREF in here. So you can just provide the drawing to your client. By this, you can see. So 1 minute, let me see what the lecture is remaining about. Have I tell you about the dimension, that dimension feature, that what is de-enter? How can you change your dimension? I guess I've not tell you about it. Suppose if we need to label this whole thing as a dimension, I need to change, I need to provide it as a final part, final PDF. So what I do, I just place DAL enter. It can be DLI also and DAL. I prefer DAL because we can give a dimension angrily. See, you can give your dimension like this also, but in DLI, in linear one, you cannot give it like this. It will give you only like this vertically. So I prefer DAL enter, and this is how you can give your dimensions. Now you can see you're continuing your dimension. So what you do, type a continue command, then you go here, first type continue command, then you go here, then you go here, then you go here, here and here. Now see, this is how you can place your dimension here. And how can we change this whole path? Like I don't want to the dimension to be placed like this, like the arrow is coming. I don't want this arrow. So what I do, I press D enter dimension style. Then you can see the dimension style here, it's arrow. So what you do, you go to modify command. After going on modify command, what you see, you can see the line type of this dimension. So I am changing it to others. Right now I don't have any. I can load. See, if you don't have any other, it's by block. That's why it is not present here. And I'm presented by there. Suppose I don't have any other lines here. So what I do, I will click on this others. then you can see a small box has appear. So what I do, here I don't have any line like dash lines, so I will load it. I press on load, then you can see there are different type of line. I don't have dash line. I will click on it and click on OK. Now you can see your dash line appeared. Your dash line got appeared. So you can click on OK. Now dash got appeared. Then you do need to change all this. You can change the color of this line. I don't want this. Now all I want is I want this in oblique, and the leader will be also in oblique only. Okay, arrow size I wanted 1.5. Okay, then I want the text to be in 1.5. I want to change the color. Let it be a red color. See, you can see this in your box also. It can be in blue color also. Now doing it be red in only. Then I go to fit. You can see the arrows, the text. You can change it to any other. The decimal, you can change the decimal point to 3, 2, but I am changing it to only 2 for more precision. Then you listing OK. Then you can do set current option. Then you click on close. Now see, each and every dimension got changed. It converted into oblique, and also we receive a red color background on it while pasting on it. So how we added this whole thing by D enter and change the modify command. So I'm overviewing each and everything. I'm giving you a summary, brief summary. So if you want to use your command like if you want your quick select command, then you can just click on quick select and you can select the circles according to by layer. Then I'm clicking OK. Then see all the circles got selected. Or we can do is can just click here, click on select similar. We can select this thing. Why I'm doing this? Suppose there's polyline here in between. So you need to select the polyline in from it. What I do, you quick select polyline by color. Okay, this is how we can do. Now what I'm doing is I'm using a filter command. Fi enter, then I'm clicking on this object. I want the circle to be discriminate from this drawing. Now this. What is remaining? Circle object name and the color. Then clicking on apply, clicking here, all the circle items got selected. Now for geolocation, what I go in insert command, you can set your geolocation from here. If you got a file, suppose you got an XML or KML file, this both file type. If you have this both type of file, then you can insert your geolocation here. If not, then you can set it from here. Drop a marker here. Next, you can change your zone accordingly. What is the GIS coordinate system? R is 84, TM 84, 43, and next you can place it here. Now it is placed. the help of this capture area, you can capture the particular area you want. Then capture viewport, you can capture the particular viewport. Reload image, optimize relocation. Then you click here. Then you remove, please remove. The particular area got highlighted. And rest of the part got deleted. And after that, I have told you about the xrefs. XR enter. If I want to add something, we just press XR enter, then he just change the path, click on OK. Again, if you want to do it, column. Hmm. This is how you can attach each and every part. So from my side, this is completed. Today's lecture got completed. If you want to ask any question, then you can ask. If not, then I will ending the session. So I guess I'm ending this lecture. Thank you all.